So it's hello from Tallaght Stadium, where another big European night awaits for Shamrock Rovers here. On Thursday, Slovenia's Celje are the visitors here to Dublin 24 again for the second time in just over a year, in the second match of the league phase campaign in the Conference League. And after suffering a defeat away to Sparta Prague, Stephen Bradley's men will be looking to put their first points of the campaign on the board on Thursday evening in front of a home crowd. Now, if you're wondering, did these two sides not meet a little while ago, you'd be right. In August of last year, the sides met in a Europa League third round qualifier. Stephen Bradley's men lost 1-0 away in Slovenia, took the game back here to Tallaght Stadium for the second leg, where they came out 3-1 winners after extra time in a thriller, really progressing 3-2 on aggregate to the Europa League playoff, and with that securing Conference League football at the very least. Now, a war of words developed between Celje boss Albert Riera, former Liverpool player, former Spanish international, and Bradley either side of that game. I was here at Tallaght Stadium speaking to Riera on the eve of that second leg tie last year, and he made no mistake about it in terms of his feelings that he said his team should dominate the game. He fully expected his side to win, and he was totally 100% confident coming into this game, coming into the game last year, I should say. They lost, fell to a 3-2 defeat on aggregate, and even after the match, Albert Riera made no apologies for his pre-match comments. Bradley coming out after the game, hitting out at a lack of respect he felt from the Celje camp, and complete arrogance from the Celje manager. So just over 12 months on, the sides meet again, and of course it's just one game compared to the two legs they faced last year. Of course, it's not the only Irish opponent Celje will face this winter. They also have a home date against Shelbourne to come in December, but it's full focus on this evening. Speaking pre-match, Stephen Bradley keen not to get drawn into war of words again. Albert Riera absolutely making no apologies for his comments last year, and he, from his point of view, he feels that Stephen Bradley made a mistake, and he took it as arrogance. In Albert Riera's view, it was confidence, and he says sometimes he is too confident. So a little bit of spice added into the game from Albert Riera coming into Thursday evening's game. Just on Celje, really good start there. League campaign in Slovenia, 10 wins and 2 draws in their opening 12 games, has them top of the league. They won the league the season before last, but came fourth in their domestic league last season, and secured Europe. They came fourth place, but they did win the cup, securing Europa League qualification, dropped down to Conference League, won the playoff, and that booked their ticket into the league phase. Of course, we should say Celje fell to defeat at Tallaght Stadium here last year. We're really impressed, making it all the way to the Conference League quarterfinals, where they were beaten by Fiorentina. But for Shamrock Rovers, it's full eyes on getting their first win of the campaign on the board here in front of a home crowd. And of course, after that, it's all eyes on capturing the league title on Sunday. But for now, a big European night awaits for Shamrock Rovers, and we'll be across all the latest reaction here in the Irish Independent.